So I've got a catalytic converter in front of me, and one of the critical processes in manufacturing these catalytic converters is the first part check. And often that first part check is very manual. I'm now standing in front of a machine where we've tried to automate a lot of those first part checks. Welcome to another Machine Monday.
So this thing basically needs to be fixed, or has it not?
The first part of the process is the operator would look at the L of the 2D matrix and manually stamp on an inlet and an outlet onto this monolith. He would then place it in position. We have a 2D matrix reader above that will detect the orientation of the L and determine if the outlet and inlet have been marked in the correct position. This part then gets fed into the production line and gets completely assembled into a final catalytic converter like this. This converter is then placed back into the machine with the QR code that's been stamped as part of the inline process with the L in the right position, and then these OCR detectors will check the inlet and outlet have been placed in the right position. What we're achieving with this machine is now digitizing the process, collecting the data so that every first part that is produced on the production line, we now have a record of that. So if you're interested in these kinds of machines, please reach out. Here's another Machine Monday.